Namaskar. Soups, flavorful and nutritious, easy to make, keeps you healthier, stronger and happy. So today we are going to learn how to make carrot and orange soup. The ingredients required to make this soup are carrots, onions, celery, butter, salt, sugar, white pepper powder, cinnamon sticks and orange. Heat up the pan, add butter, melt, add onions, celery, sweat them, add the carrots, add bit of salt, white pepper powder, add one cinnamon stick, once sorted, add water. Simmer it for 20 minutes. Once it comes to the boil, just add some rind of the oranges. Remove the cinnamon sticks and put in the blender. Make a smooth puree. Now just add some stock. With the smooth puree, take it back to the pan, strain it, fresh orange juice, seasoning with salt, white pepper powder and some sugar. Mix well. Adjust the consistency. Boil and serve hot. Now carrot and orange soup is ready to serve, and serve it hot. You can also serve it cold.